Hello, everybody. This is Isaac Harriman, reporting live from Philharmonic Orchestra, London. This is Dustin Cummins playing his guitar. Give him a moment. It's way too powerful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. That wasn't a laugh. That was no laugh. That was a weird sneeze. That was a weird sneeze. That was just a weird sneeze. I was just like, I sneezed. That was not. Thank you. Thank you. Dustin will now sing and become one with the guitar. Just give him a second.
My nose is running.
His nose is running. Just give him a second. He's a little baby. I know, okay. Keep sneezing. Okay, Dustin. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I feel that power just undulating out of that guitar. I keep weird sneezing. Dustin Cummins, everybody. Whoa, I sneezed again. He keeps crying, everybody. Just give him a second. Give him a second. It's okay. When you're playing guitar and you're singing in front of thousands of people and you have an allergic reaction to maybe some of the people in the room, like like Bob over there. That's Bob. Yep. Bob, how do you feel? Okay, that's great. Yeah, so here's Dustin Cummins. I think he's ready. Ladies and gentlemen, Dustin Cummins. Give it up for Dustin Cummins. Woo! Okay, now for real time. That was just a pre, he's just buttering us up. It was like a pre thing, pre-show, yeah.
A pre-thing?
A pre-thing, yeah. Okay.
I've heard of this before.
Okay.
Oh. Bless you.
I keep sneezing. I can't help it. My golden grand piano in Budapest. DB-do. It's too powerful.
And give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Give me one good reason why all of this should go away.
Oh, I'm crying. No, I'm crying.
My house in Budapest, my hidden treasures, my golden grand piano, my beautiful Castillo, you live it all.
Dibby-do. Dibby-do, mother suckers.
Oh, I'll leave it all. Give me one good reason.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is all from Dustin Cummins. Woo! Give it up. Yeah, that was beautiful. And now on to the news. Let's, woo! Keep sneezing. Let's, see what's on the news today, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, this is George.
Hello, my name is George.
George, how's it going? I'm in Budapest. I mean, wherever you're at.
Very, very good. Thank you for asking.
Whoa, you changed your accent.
I know, very good.
Are you from India?
Maybe.
Oh my gosh.
I know. What? That's my uncle's name.
Oh, sorry. So.
Sorry is my aunt's name.
Really?
Yep.
Are you in a war zone right now?
Yep.
Who's it between? Oh my gosh! And now on to the next news. This gun salesman. Yes. His name's Larry. He has a pillow for a head.
Larry,
Larry, how much do your guns cost?
$2,
$2 a piece?
maybe.
Very interesting. Now on to the kitchen area of India, where this is straight coming live from Calcutta. Welcome, Mother Dustinisa.
Hello, my dearie.
Mother Dustinisa, for several years, has been fighting the ill-contrived diseases from the prostitutes on the street. I keep sneezing. Mother Dustinisa tries to witness to these girls and try and get them to become Catholic. Now on to the bathroom salesman. The bathroom salesman is very cool. He's like Tom Cruise. Here we go.
What kind of toilet you want?
That's great, everybody. And now on to the bookworm. They're the book salesman. Look, here we go.
You guys want a book? I want a book. Book.
I actually want a book. Now, let's go on to the last but not least, the deodorant dude.
It's good.
Oh yeah. And now, last but not least, I know I just said that, to the calendar salesman. He likes calendars.
I like calendars.
Tell us more about that.
My grandma was a calendar.
Really?
Yes.
How is that even genetically possible?
Well, my father was a month. And my mother, she was a day. We put them together. Got a calendar.
Beautiful. Now, ladies and gentlemen, back to the Dustin on his guitar. We've had a great time going all around the world, talking to people, and we will now conclude our show with a small number from Dustin Cummins. Hopefully he's not crying. So beautiful. And now, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for today. This has been Isaac Harriman.
And this is Steve.
Thank you and have a good day.